Now we are at a homestay. This homestay name is Veronica Homestay. This place is in the location at Menteng village. Now we're starting to go to Ramdait village for visiting that what traditional house. We start from here to go to Ramdait village. We will should be along the way from here. This name of this village is Penamnakhar, but you have to climb up to that top of the hill. You see there?
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
This government school. Let's see nearby. See from this board, you know how the people come here from this year. Before of this year, come here. See this next one is kitchen shed. You see? See this? Let's come here. To this staircase you have to go. You can see the top from here. You see? See? Now almost reached at Ramdait village, nearby a traditional house.
We walked up from Mintang and we had lunch and Maggie at Malaukia, and then our lovely friend Tirot saved us.
Here this name of this village is Ramdait. You want to go to Menteng, huh?
Now we're heading back home to Mentang to stay at Veronica's.
Thank you.
The leg shake.
This is a type of wild yam.
Yam. Yeah, I love it. Can I pick it up?
Yes. This will dry after 2-3 days. We'll dry this white black pepper. Ada me.
This way to Mentang?
Yes. Very nice sweet flower for you. If you stand here in front of the flower, it's very so nice with you.
I think he was at the retail came you can take both paths.
This house, we get to explore everywhere around the world.
When did your home stop looking like this?
Like this.
When did it stop looking like
Last.
Here we are.
You do like this.
Bye!
Bye. See you again.
See you soon. Thank you, Tara.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Now we are reached back here at Veronica Homestay.